So what do you do in a business simulation? Everything at the back end is real. The data is real, or the scenario building is real. So everything is real other than the risk.
We hear from our seniors that business simulation has been increasingly used as XIME. So could you elaborate as to how the simulation helps in the learning process?
So business simulation is like a game. And I tell the students, it's that game that's worth playing. Even those games are fun and they're worth playing, but this is a game that you should invest your time and play. So what do you do in a business simulation? Everything at the back end is real. The data is real, or the scenario building is real. The consequences of a certain action are built through algorithm to make it real. You get inputs of market data coming through. So everything is real other than the risk. You don't lose money. The only thing that may happen is you get thrown out of the game because you are performing badly. Let me just explain it best through a recent simulation that we did. So for the students they had to be the president of a company that makes batteries. And that battery, they had two technologies. One is, let's call it older, and the newer technology. Now, how do they decide which technology? Because even in old battery, you take product life cycle, you can keep innovative and improve the life. So do I invest here, or do I invest in this, what is the unknown angel? The one that looks like it is the future of everything. Now, you have resources, this year the R&D budget. Do I spend more on the new technology or the old technology? As information comes through, do I change my decisions? So they are really playing in the real world. So they are working against the clock. And few of them are working together to come to that decision. So we were seeing cumulative profit and cumulative revenue coming through. And at the end of the day, the team that won, the intensity is real, the passion of the students is real. The only thing that's not real is nobody gets fired for making a mistake, they only learn. It's again, we use a source of simulations from across the world and we source it through Harvard. So a lot of subjects lend themselves to simulation. HR subject, operations, finance, marketing subject, we can use simulation across the board. So what I like about simulation is like case studies, but the emotions that come through with it are unbelievably real. Exactly how a team feels when they win, or when a team feels when they don't do so well.